In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make desktop shortcuts on Windows 11 in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to keep your favorite applications within easy reach, creating desktop shortcuts is a great way to streamline your workflow. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. First, you'll need to start by clicking the Start button, which you'll find on your taskbar. This button is usually located at the bottom left corner of your screen and is easily identifiable by the Windows logo. Once you've opened the Start menu, you'll notice a few different options. Next, take a look at the top right corner of the Start menu and select the All Apps option. This will provide you with a comprehensive list of all the applications installed on your computer, displayed in alphabetical order. It's a useful feature, especially if you're not entirely sure where to find a particular app. Now, you can scroll through this alphabetical list to locate the app you want to create a shortcut for. Whether it's your internet browser, a frequently used document editor, or a favorite game, Windows 11 has it laid out clearly for you. Once you've found the app you're looking for, you might be tempted to double-click it right away, but hold on. The next step is to click and hold the app's icon. This step is crucial, as it lets you select and prepare the icon for dragging. Gently drag it out of the Start menu and onto your desktop. This action is simple but effective in organizing your desktop work area. As you do this, you'll notice the app follows your cursor, showing that it's ready to be placed on your desktop. Finally, release the mouse button to drop the icon. This action finalizes the shortcut creation, and you'll see the app's icon appear on your desktop, often accompanied by a little arrow in the lower left corner. This indicates it's a shortcut. Now, whenever you need quick access to that app, all it takes is a double click on your new desktop icon. This brings us to the end of making desktop shortcuts in Windows 11. It's a straightforward process designed to enhance your efficiency and enable quicker access to your most used applications. Remember to manage and organize your desktop periodically to keep it clutter-free. And that's it. You've successfully mastered how to create desktop shortcuts, making your navigation around Windows 11 just a little bit smoother. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. For more tips and tricks about using Windows 11, be sure to check out other tutorials on our channel.